Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by blocking the giant silhouette so proportions work before details. Draw a large oval for the torso and a smaller circle for the head, then place a central spine line to set posture. This makes movement readable. Once done, add shoulder and hip markers and mark limb lengths, tail about twice the torso, legs thick and planted. Make sure to lean the figure forward slightly to imply momentum. Doing this early saves corrective erasing later and keeps the composition dramatic. Now refine anatomy and the signature dorsal plates so Space Godzilla feels believable. Block in major muscle masses, chest, thighs, forearms, using confident strokes. This supports the heavy weight you want to convey. Next, lay out staggered dorsal plates that increase to the mid-back because gradation sells scale and energy flow. Once done, define a strong jawline and eye ridge and sketch texture guidelines for scales and scars. These small marks explain surface detail and help finish by committing to line work, lighting, and texture so the creature reads at a glance. Ink confident primary contours, then use directional hatching to describe mass. Pick a single light source so shadows stay consistent. For space energy elements, paint a soft glow with high contrast against dark plates. This creates focal points. Once done, step back and check the silhouette and contrast balance. If something reads confusing, simplify the area with one targeted tweak to restore readability and punch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.